Welcome to this meditation focused on your breath. This is your time to relax, release stress, and restore your energy. Let's begin by sitting comfortably, preferably in a chair with your feet firmly planted on the floor, legs uncrossed. Feel your sit bones balanced and your spine lengthened but relaxed. Gently roll your shoulders back a bit to create more space in your heart, and rest your hands comfortably in your lap. Let your chin tuck slightly downwards, allowing a natural alignment of your spine. When you're ready, gently close your eyes. Simply start by noticing your natural breath. You might feel a cool sensation at the tip of your nose as you breathe in, and warmth as you exhale. Take note of how your body is involved in this breathing process. As you become more aware of your breath, you'll also begin to notice your body. Pay attention to the points of contact between your body and the surface you're seated on, and the feeling of your clothes against your skin. Now, let's become more intentional with our breathing. On your next inhale, allow your belly to expand naturally, keeping your chest relatively still. Breathe in through your nose, hold briefly at the top, and when ready, exhale through your mouth, letting your belly contract, but keeping your chest still. Repeat this. As you inhale, your belly expands while your chest stays still, and as you exhale, your belly contracts. Continue at a pace that feels comfortable for you. With each exhale, take your time. Let each exhale last twice as long as the inhale. Right now, all you need to focus on is your breath. Inhale through your nose, letting your belly expand, and exhale through your mouth, allowing your belly to contract. Make each exhale twice as long as the inhale. If any thoughts or feelings arise, don't judge yourself. Just gently bring your attention back to your breath. By keeping your chest calm and still, you signal to your body that you are safe. With each inhale, your belly expands, and with each exhale, it contracts. Continue breathing at your own pace. If it helps, you can count, perhaps inhaling for 4 counts and exhaling for 8, or simply focus on how it feels. Whenever thoughts come to mind, instead of pushing them away, gently return your focus to this beautiful breath. Throughout the rest of this meditation, remember to keep your chest relaxed and calm. Now, on your next inhale, take an extra deep breath, allowing both your belly and chest to fully expand. Hold it for a moment at the top, and when ready, release with a gentle sigh. Feel your entire torso relax as you breathe out. As you continue to breathe at a pace that feels natural to you, feel grateful to yourself for showing up today. When you're ready to finish, gently roll your shoulders, wiggle your fingers and toes, and when it feels right, slowly open your eyes, carrying this sense of peace and calm with you for the rest of the day.